Hello my viewers and my subscribers, welcome back to my channel Masakan Ibu Dewi. Today I'm gonna cook sambar. As you all know, I post my last video how to cook mutton varuval and serve on banana leaf, and I put sambar. Now I'm gonna show you how to cook sambar. Carry on to watch my sambar ingredient. 500 gram toor dal, I soak it one whole night. 2 potatoes cut small. 1 carrot, cut it small. 1 katrika or eggplant, cut small. 10 pieces lady's finger. 2 onions, 1 whole garlic, 1 tablespoon mixed spices, 1 tablespoon tamarind paste, 2 pieces dry chili and curry leaf, 2 tablespoon curry powder, 1 teaspoon yellow powder, 1 tomato, cut it small. First we have to boil the dal until the water dry. Once the water dry, the dal is soft, we can smash it. I'm using scoop to smash it because it's way too easy. When you soak the dal one whole night, this is what will happen. Easy and soft. Then we add in the curry powder and yellow powder. Mix it. We add in water. And mix well. And now we add in tamarind juice and a salt. Just stir it little while. We cook it in a medium flame to boil. While we waiting the sambar is boiling, we stir fry all the ingredients in a different pan and set it aside. While the sambar is boiling, we add all the vegetables. Once the vegetable is cooked, we turn off the flame. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you like the easy recipe that I just gave you all. And don't forget to click like, subscribe, and comment below, and share all my recipe video to all your friends in social media and to your family members. Thank you again, and bye.